Well, guys, I made some good progress the first couple of days, but today was largely wasted. But at least I'm back on track now. The trouble that I ran into today was that bolt that's on the back side of that camshaft. So I'm just going to drop my phone down the back of the cylinder head here so you can see which bolt I'm talking about. You'll probably see that the bolt head has a couple nicks and rounded off a little bit because it took quite a bit of torque to get it free. Now that being said, I did finally get that bolt free, and here's what I had to do. I did remove a heat shield that was bolted up to the firewall here. It was a couple 10mm nuts. It's a little tedious to get to, but that definitely made it easier to get your wrench lined up. I was able to get a short stubby breaker bar with a 19mm socket on the back side of that camshaft. And I had to use some WD-40 penetrating spray, the kind with the flexi hose, so you can actually get back there and actually spray the bolt head. I let it set for a couple hours, and then I actually went and made a special purchase of a 30-inch long piece of iron pipe, and that actually gave me the leverage I need. So what you can see now is my new Schneider racing cam in the cylinder head. I don't have the valve components in place yet, but it's covered up in assembly lube. It's loosely bolted into place. I'm going to have to check the end float of the camshaft, make sure that it's not too tight and not too loose, but I think so far it looks pretty good. Just wanted to give you another quick update that, yeah, not a lot of progress today, but at least I know that I have the tools to keep on going.